Welcome to a world where your car is smarter than you think. Today, we're diving into 10 secret car features that can save your day, boost your safety, and make driving a breeze. From hidden compartments to clever safety hacks, these features are often overlooked, but once you know them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Whether you're a seasoned driver or just got your license, these tips will help you unlock your car's full potential. Let's get started and discover the life-saving and convenient tricks hiding right under your nose. Ever been locked out of your car because your key fob battery died? Don't panic. Most modern cars have a hidden mechanical key inside the fob. Just press the small release button on your fob, slide the metal key out, and look for a concealed keyhole on your driver's door, sometimes hidden under a plastic cover. Pop it open, insert the key, and you're back in business. This simple trick can save you from a major headache, especially in emergencies or when you're far from home. Always check your fob for this secret backup. Blinded by the sun coming in from the side window, many cars have a secret extension built right into the sun visor. Just check the edge of your visor. There's often a sliding panel that pulls out to cover more area. With a quick slide, you can block that harsh glare and drive safely, even when the sun is low on the horizon. It's a small feature, but it makes a huge difference in comfort and visibility, especially during sunrise or sunset commutes. Next time the sun's in your eyes, remember to check for this handy extension. Ever pulled up to a gas station and realized you're on the wrong side for the fuel pump? There's a tiny arrow next to the fuel gauge on your dashboard that points to the side of your car where the gas tank is located. It's a simple detail, but it saves time and avoids awkward repositioning at the pump. Next time you're in an unfamiliar car or rental, just glance at the gauge and you'll always know which side to use. This small arrow is a game changer for drivers everywhere. On a scorching day, your car can feel like an oven. But did you know you can vent the heat before you even get in? Many cars let you lower all the windows remotely by holding the unlock button on your key fob for about 3 seconds. The windows drop automatically, letting hot air escape and making your car much more comfortable when you climb in. It's a lifesaver during summer and helps protect your interior from extreme heat. Try this trick next time you park in the sun. Night driving can be tough when headlights from cars behind you create a blinding glare. Thankfully, most rearview mirrors have a dimmer lever underneath. Just flip the lever downward and the mirror tilts, reducing the glare and making it easier to see. This simple adjustment can make night driving much safer and more comfortable, especially on busy highways. If you haven't used this feature before, give it a try next time you're out after dark. Safety first! If you ever find yourself trapped in a car trunk, there's a built-in escape feature. Look for a glow-in-the-dark T-shaped handle inside the trunk. Pull it firmly, and the trunk will pop open instantly, letting you escape. This feature is required by law in many countries and can be a real lifesaver in emergencies. It's especially important for families with kids or anyone who spends time around vehicles. Make sure everyone in your household knows about this hidden safety handle. Ever notice your music gets drowned out by road noise as you speed up? Many cars have a speed-sensitive volume feature. Sensors detect your driving speed and automatically adjust the audio volume so your music or podcast stay at the perfect level, no matter how fast you're going. This smart feature keeps your audio experience consistent and enjoyable, whether you're cruising on the highway or stuck in city traffic. Check your car's audio settings to see if you can activate this handy function. Cleaning or replacing your windshield wipers can be tricky if they're tucked under the hood. But there's a maintenance mode. With the ignition on, turn the wipers on, then switch the ignition off while the wipers are mid-swipe. The wipers will stop in an upright position, making them easy to lift and service. This feature is a real time saver and helps you keep your windshield clear and your wipers in top shape. Give it a try. And next time you need to clean or change your blades. Your car is full of secret storage spaces you might not know about. Lift up the floor mats, check under the seats, and explore the center console. Many vehicles have hidden compartments perfect for stashing valuables, emergency supplies, or just keeping things organized. Some cars have as many as 8 to 12 secret spots. Take a few minutes to explore your car and discover these clever hiding places. You'll be amazed at how much extra space you have for the things you need. Worried about forgetting to lock your car? Many modern vehicles have a walk-away auto-lock feature. When you exit the car with your key fob and walk about 20 feet away, the car senses the fob is out of range and automatically locks itself. This feature adds peace of mind and extra security, especially when you're in a hurry or have your hands full. Check your owner's manual to see if your car supports this convenient function. You might wonder why so many useful features are tucked away or not widely advertised. Car manufacturers often include these extras for added safety, convenience, or to meet regulations, but they don't always make it obvious. Sometimes, features are hidden to keep the car's design sleek or to avoid overwhelming drivers with too many buttons. Learning about these secrets can help you get the most out of your vehicle and drive with more confidence every day. From advanced safety tools to clever convenience hacks, today's cars are packed with surprises. Staying informed about these updates helps you get the most out of your investment and enjoy a safer, more comfortable ride. Regularly check and maintain your car's hidden features to ensure they work when you need them. Test the trunk escape handle, clean your wiper blades, and make sure your key fob's backup key is accessible. A little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your car safe and reliable. Car manuals and manufacturer websites are great resources for learning about your vehicle's hidden features. Take some time to read up on your specific model and stay updated on new features as they're released. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your safety and convenience on the road. If you found these car hacks useful, share them with friends and family. The more people know about these hidden features, the safer and more convenient everyone's driving experience will be. Spread the word and help others unlock the full potential of their vehicles. As technology advances, expect even more hidden features in future cars. From biometric security to advanced driver assistance systems, the next generation of vehicles will be smarter and safer than ever. Stay curious and keep exploring. Your car might surprise you with its capabilities. Let's quickly recap the 10 secret car features we covered. The key fob, keyhole, sun visor extension, fuel arrow, window vent, mirror dimmer, trunk escape, speed volume, wiper mode, hidden storage, and walk-away lock. Each one is designed to make your driving experience safer, easier, and more enjoyable. Try them out and see which ones make the biggest difference for you. Your car is more than just a way to get from point A to point B. It's packed with features designed to keep you safe and comfortable. By learning about and using these hidden tools, you can unlock your vehicle's full potential. Stay curious, stay safe, and enjoy the ride. Thanks for joining us on this journey through your car's hidden features. We hope you learned something new and feel more confident behind the wheel. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow drivers. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your driving experience the best it can be. Safe travels and